Hey Jediah, can you narrate to me the first prince of Rome?
Okay. First, because before Caesar died, now lots of people listen. Who's gonna protect us? Yeah, who's gonna protect us? We got nowhere to. Who can protect us? Why did you kill him? Why did you kill him? Yeah, even so the.
Which one? The senators?
The senators even mad, but some of them are happy they got killed.
What happened? Who ruled?
Caesar.
Caesar's what? Nephew? Adopted son?
The adopted son.
What's his
Jack.
name? What's his name? He has a name, diba? His name was... What? Octavia.
Octavia. And then he was ruler and then everyone said, you're a king now. No, I said, no, I don't want to be a king. So just be a ruler then. Oh, okay. And then he became the ruler of Egypt.
Rome.
Yeah, Rome. Oh, sorry.
And then?
And then I don't know.
Did the people love him?
Yeah, people liked him.
What happened when he said, I don't want to be king?
He said, what? You don't want to be king? That's the best part of life. He said, no, I don't want to be king. I might be betrothed.
What did they do to him? What did they propose to him?
I don't know.
He won't be king, but he will be the
You'll not be king, but you will be
the first what?
the first emperor of Rome.
Yeah, first citizen.
Yay!
Then what happened? How did they honor him?
They
named what? They changed his name, diba? What did they change it?
The first conqueror of Rome.
What diba his name was Octavian Caesar?
Yeah.
Well, how did they change it? The month, the year, the name of the month. They changed his name to what?
Caesar Augustus.
Augustus
Caesar.
So it's named. They honored him by naming which month?
August.
What about his adopted father?
Julius Caesar.
Oh, which month did they name?
July.
July. Okay.
The end.
Okay, thank you, Jediah.